shape, more of an bubble-like, I guess, and more of an egg shape. Get narrower too because we're looking at it from a so it's going to be somewhere around here. So I just like to put something. Then we do the exact same thing that like we did up there. Subtract the parts of the ellipse that we don't need, and for the rest to design to get the proportions right. Just putting out the wheels just because it looks cool. So here we have the greenhouse. Now we see that this ellipse here is going to be too short. If I cut the car here at the point of the ellipse, where the ellipse ends, and then have it chopped down like this. And from here, we're pretty much set now. We have the basic proportions in place. And now we can start to have some fun with this. So this is the hardest part is to get to this point. And I realized that because I was struggling with this for years. So I know how hard it is to get to this point. It's not easy. It might look easy, but it's going to take you a lot of practice to get it right. Unless you're a super genius or something that gets it right the first time. But for me, you know, I've been sketching for I don't know how many years, probably 20. I mean, I'm 32, so I've been sketching for 30 years, just to keep the math easy. I'm really bad at math, so it's gonna call it 30 years, something like that. And what you want to do from here as well, or something that I like to do, is to put out a center line for this, because it's going to help guide you in your sketching and just help you figure out where to put stuff symmetrically or symmetrical, just to have a guidance to where you want to put stuff. That's why I want to put the center line out there. Let's see how these taillights go. Large taillights, maybe 2. And we can make something like that. So that's that. Yeah. As soon as you get the proportions right, the rest is, you know, easy, because then you have everything in place, and that's when you can start having fun by starting to design a car. So this was the first way of sketch. Put out the wheels like that, and the difference here is
So that's the car, guys. I messed up here. What is that shit I did here? What is it? Yep, that is the car. Thanks TheSketchMonkey for the tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to him down in the comments. What am I saying? I mean in the description. And this is my Instagram at george.genovezos. Go follow me there. And thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.